This is a boy and this is another boy. They are friends. This boy has a mop and the other boy has a broom, and also he has hangers. Here there is a picture. In the picture there is swing. Here we have window, table tennis, bat, ball, cat, rings, car, and television. Now let's listen to the story. These boys are friends. They like playing table tennis and watching TV. One day they watch TV and see a weight lifter. He is a very strong man. They like the program and they pretend to be weight lifters. And they say,